12 Januari 2021. Rolling Stone Indianya udah nyampe. Ini aku pesen di salah satu online shop khusus untuk merchandise idol Korea gitu. Dan ini adalah majalah kedua yang aku beli tahun ini tentang BTS ya, setelah Time Magazine. Ya, aku kan ARMY baru ya. So let's get started. Jadi aku udah baca ini introduction-nya, tapi aku belum baca artikel sesudahnya ya. So here they said BTS were chosen for the November 2020 Collector's Edition because of their incredible drive, barrier-breaking artistry, and monumental impact on the world. The Rolling Stone interview features music, pop culture, and political icons who have changed the world, and BTS are no exception. Yes, of course. They have established their powerful legacy as a voice for those who need it in the most, bringing strength and solace to young people, people of color, the LGBTQ+ community, and millions of others across Asia and the globe. Dan di introduction ini juga disebutkan siapa-siapa saja yang terlibat, tentunya adalah writers dan kontributor yang nggak main-main ya tulisannya. Okay, next let's go to the article. This one is by Monica Yadav. Monica Yadav itu adalah jurnalis The Rise of BTS in India. Supriya Joshi, The Process of Becoming a BTS Fan. Ruchi Sawardekar, I think he is a filmmaker. She or he, building the BTS cinematic universe. Wow. Madhu Budi. Look at this. No matter how busy they are owing the astronomical rise of their demand across the globe, they make it a point to show their fans not only BTS the artists, but also BTS the people. That is very sweet. Bangtan India, the mechanics of the BTS army. I think this one is it should be Army India. Let's see, Twinkle Chodari. Here we go. Bangtan India co-founder. Yes. Wow, hi Army India. Wow. Oh, yes, he is the YouTuber. There you go. The trials of a K-pop YouTuber. A journey through the eras of BTS. Oh, this one is Too Cool for School. 2013. Oh, ini waktu mereka debut ya. Yes. We are bulletproof. No more dream. Ini 2013. And then this one is 2014. Here we go. There we go. Duh, beda banget ya. Oh, no. 2015. Jadi ini era-era mereka. 2016. Oh. Ya ampun, ini aku belum jadi ARMY sih. Aku baru jadi ARMY tahun 2020. But I do listen to them since the Idol era. Yeah, Idol. You love yourself. Okay, jadi ini how they grow up for the last 7 years. Okay, nah ini aku baru kenalan di Map of the Soul. Lagu-lagunya di Map of the Soul, I mean. Tapi udah dengar sih dari yang zaman-zaman Idol deh pokoknya. Lagu Idol. Dynamite. Okay, jadi mereka juga ada foto-fotonya yang menceritakan perjalanan mereka. Nih jurnalisnya nih, the story of how BTS saved my life. She's an ARMY. Okay. Masculinity through the BTS lens. BTS, the beauty of words. The BTS canon of music filled with mythology, symbolism, classical references, and Renaissance imagery. A deep dive into their lyrics is to understand the power of the written word. That's right. Aku selalu jatuh cinta sama kata-kata mereka, sama lirik-lirik mereka. Black Swan is always my favorite choreography. Our fans inspire us, give us direction. How sweet that is. Here we go. For every artist, a cycle like ours is a dream come true. You get to release albums with your writing more than once a year, and you constantly tour around the world to meet your fans up close and personal. Oh, I love it. We write about things people don't want to say. Oh, that's correct. They're talking about mental health. They're talking about inclusiveness, inclusivity. They're talking about many things that some people likes to hide. Makanya mereka punya lagu-lagu yang cukup personal, and including me. Some of their songs really relate to me until now. Biarpun gue baru jadi ARMY tahun 2020, tapi lagu-lagu lama mereka tuh sangat relate to me. BTS Rolling Stone interview. Aduh, ini nih. Hi Jimin. What's wrong with your shoulder, darling? Oh, Jin. Yeah, he's talking about self-acceptance. Oh, ooh, sugar. Oh, we got to know about the weight that our words and music carry, and we're truly thankful for that. Ah, I love this. With all the speakers, and he's like unreal, like an unreal creature. I hate that I have to do it all alone. I wish I have someone next to me to open this up and, you know, like commenting all of this stuff. Oh, J-Hope, he's my bias wrecker. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, wow, my bias. Oh, I love when RM putting his hand on his chin like this. There you go, RM. We need a balanced mix of happiness and sadness and light and dark to act as nutritive elements in our lives. Oh, that's right. Yin and yang. Oh, they're talking about hip-hop as well. Foundationing. Oh, okay. Ooh, a deeper look into Min Yoongi. Yes, I'm gonna read that for sure. And is that all? Okay. And BTS and the art of fashion. So now 100 greatest BTS songs. What is it all about? Let's see. This list was compiled by the panel of writers and editors who are also members of the BTS Army. Okay. Here are some of the best tracks from the South Korean group's powerful immersive discography. Okay, let's see. What number is my favorite? Really, all the songs are really related to my mood. Waiting for you on Panman. It's number 44. Waiting for you to be the voice for the unheard. That's why I love it. Ego. Ego, ego, ego. That's my ego. That's my ego. Bam bam ba-da-dum, bam bam ba-da-dum, bam bam ba-da-dum, bam bam ba-da-dum. Oh, of course, Spring Day. Oh, Black Swan's number. What's number 2? Oh, yes. Oh, wow. Let's see what they write about it. There is a reason why this 2017 BTS single keeps making appearance on Korean global charts even today. Based on its subject matter, symbolism, and an impact on global pop culture, Spring Day is not only deeply personal, but resonates on levels that an entire nation found comfort in. The rumored to be a tribute to the victims of Korea's 2014 Seoul ferry tragedy, Spring Day explores themes of lost friendships, the passage of time, and adulthood. Oh yeah, I've watched the videos, I've watched all the recordings, so yeah, I agree to that. Wow. That's my ego. Ego. This is one of the songs that I always listen to every single morning before I start my day. You're my hope. I'm your hope. I'm your hope. You're my hope. I'm J-Hope. From this album, what I like is Rain. I love Rain. Mono album by RM. Oh yes, he is the artist, isn't it? And he says, Arman Malik says, the Indian pop stars talks about the positive influence BTS have had in pop music, how they open doors for our Asian artists, and why now is the time for new voices in global pop culture. There you go. And they are Grammy nominated. Thank you so much, Rolling Stone India. I definitely will have a good time tonight to finish all of these articles. So thank you very much for you too who has been staying with me. See you again. Bye.